So we just arrived in Lyngen North, which is an glass igloo. I don't know if you can see behind me the glass. It's dark outside. There's actually a Northern Light show going on right now. It's so beautiful. I'm going to show you a little bit about this glass igloo. I know a lot of people wonder what it's like to sleep in one, so let me just show you what it's all about. So as soon as you walk in the door, you have a little small kitchenette area, which breakfast is included here in the morning. There's some cabinets, and then you have just the normal sink and toaster. And then you have a small little table. There's Chris there checking out the free Wi-Fi, and a couple sitting chairs. The bed, which actually goes up and down, it is you can put it into a sitting position if you would like to. And as you can see, for some privacy, you have these curtains, and you can just pull these curtains and nobody can see you as you're still watching the Northern Lights. Which I know this video is not going to show the Northern Lights, but I will show you in the morning the view, which is so amazing outside. The bathroom, as you can see, it's got a special film over the window so you can actually not be seen. Little mirror. It's actually, for the size of it, it's very well done. Simple shower head. It's a really nice little area in here. Super cute. So we're going to get out there and look at some Northern Lights.